make instant worms? Wait, we can use this. Wow, let's go! Woohoo! Well, half cup of water. We'll just use this cup again. Who gives a shit? Add this halfway full. I forgot to turn the lights back on. Okay, add 1 medium scoop of calcium chloride and stir the solution until the powder is dissolved. This is calcium chloride. Oh, hey there, calcium chloride. Are you ready to be mixed into the solution? Yeah, I'm so excited. I think I just breathed in a little bit of it. 1 medium scoop of this stuff. And then we stir. And then we get this little guy. Once this is dissolved, we're gonna squeeze a long, steady stream into the cup. Okay, watch closely. Did I do it right? Wait, bro. Look closely. It's hard to see, but they're like congealing at the top. Do you see it? They're congealing. Repeat until you have several long strings, okay? Look at that. It's so gross. It's all gross and slimy and green. Ew. Bro, do you see them forming? They look like boogers. Looks like my mom's mucus plug before I came out, before I popped out of her. Okay, that's all of the green sodium alginate solution. Apparently, when the sodium alginate meets the calcium chloride, the two chemicals react to create calcium alginate, a gooey gelatinous material. The gel wraps around water droplets to form soft beads or worms. The longer the worms soak, the more calcium seeps in and links to the gel, making the worms firmer. Did I touch it? I'm scared. Ew, it's slimy. It's so gross. It's so slimy. Ew. Ew. What? That does not look good. That does not look good, bro. That does not look good. Ew, it's so slimy. Sorry, guys. Allergies. All these chemical fumes in the air. That looked like, oh god. There's like a big, did you see the big ball? Did you see the big ball? Bro, where was that big ball? Ew. Ew. See the ball? What the fuck? It's forming little balls. You see them? It kind of reminds me of like glass noodles. See that? Or like, oh bro, it's like why is my phone ringing? This is how babies formed. Bro, they're like worms that ate little things and they got all full. They got all folded up. Ew! Wait, I want to pull this. Oh, there's like a big chunk. It's like an alien's period. Oh. Oh god, I spilled it on Crazy Frog. Oh, I'm so sorry, Crazy Frog. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, this will set me right. This will set me right for the night. Bro, look at that big. Oh, did you see the orb? Did you see the big orb? Bro. Look, I got it. I have it. Bro, it's squishy. Bro, it's kind of cute. Yeah. Interesting. It's a little sack. It looks like a water balloon. It kind of looks like a breast implant. Yeah, for like a Barbie doll. I'm gonna take this sodium alginate and stick it in my wiener. Ooh, I want to pop it so bad. Should we pop it? What would happen if we popped it? Do you think it would be... Oh god, I think it already popped. Is it? Oh god, I accidentally popped it. It's like leaking. Ooh. That's so gross. That is so fucking gross. But wait, there's more. Alien guts. Let's pop. Oh my god! Did you see that, bro? That was so fucking gross. It was like Dr. Pimple Popper. Wait, that went on the floor. Bro. I gotta clean that up. That's so disgusting. It went everywhere, bro. Oh my god. That thing freaking squirted. So gross. Ew. This is an offering for Crazy Frog. There you go. He likes it. I found another. Oh, let's pop it. Bro, I can't help myself. I have to. It's so satisfying. Alright, are you looking? Wait. Oh, that one was anticlimactic. I think so far this is my favorite experiment. This was so cool.